Most likely, if you land to our blog, you're actually trying to create sales battle cards, whether you're a marketer or a salesperson working within your sales team and has that role of like the sales operations, revenue operations role to help with closing more deals and winning pipe. Basically, you're in the right place. I will quickly explain to you how to create a really good battle card. But before to do that, let's quickly run through the blog to explain how it operates. First off, you can download any template you want from here. Now, the important thing that I wanted to mention is that actually sales battle cards can help 71% of deals to be won. This is an actual stat. It's coming from a report from Crayon, and basically, it actually allows you to see the impact that having a sales battle card can have. There are so many deals out there that are competitive deals, which means that the buyer is actually looking for more than one solution. So having and getting a battle card is essential for you to do that, to win those deals and go over that. And actually, only 35% of competitive intelligence sales marketing teams build battle cards. So it's a great opportunity for you to go over the competition and win in big deals. So the main types of battle cards is competitive, marketing battle cards, what they're doing in their marketing, product comparison, sales enablement, customer objection specific battle cards, feature comparison, battle cards just for specific features within your product, thought leadership, upsell, prospect specific battle cards, objection based, and comprehensive battle cards. And Basically, the main things that are included is competitor information and so on. Now, you can download all these templates. If you add the link, you will get access to this document, which has multiple battle cards. You can see, for example, here a comparison of Intercom via Zendesk, and you can see how we go through their overview, their strengths, weaknesses, why Intercom wins, which questions to ask to create, report, and build that comparison between the two, and how to handle objections when it comes to the things that people don't like about your product. Similarly, here you can see the pricing. So there are different battle cards for different cases. Now, what I want you to do is go in here, check all the battle cards, make sure you choose the right ones. We have a really wide variety of them. And all you can do is then take them, put them out there, and start getting them with your sales team. Now, one thing to note is that you can use our tool, Competitors app, which allows you to find out all these things about your competitors. So if I go quickly here, you'll see that you can go to, let's take an example, Intercom. And if you want to learn things about what people think about Intercom, you can go on LinkedIn and you can see what people do like about Intercom. So you can fill in the reviews. If you want, you can go here to the dashboard, you can go to the review summary, and you can use the AI insights to understand exactly what people like or don't like with this, so that you can actually get battle cards working. You can go in, fill them in, and so on, and then you get the data that you like. If you have any questions, kindly let me know. And this is basically everything that you can do. And yeah, make sure you check this document thoroughly to decide which type of battle card suits you best. Different needs for different teams, so make sure you match yours. Bye bye.